Animals of Mars, a journey beyond Earth. Throughout history, animals have walked beside humanity, through deserts, jungles, and even into the depths of space. But now, we ask a new question. What if animals were to walk beside us, not on Earth, but on Mars? This is not merely science fiction, but a mirror held up to our scientific ambitions. In this journey, we explore a symbolic tale, a lion, the king of Earth's beasts, and a goat, humble yet resilient, tasked with surviving the red planet. Their story represents both myth and mission. And through them, we dive into real science, technology, ethics, and Elon Musk's bold dream of turning Mars into a second home, not just for humans, but perhaps for Earth's smallest survivors. The pioneers of space. Describe early animal spaceflights. The chimpanzee, tortoises, insects. Explore their purpose, biological data, behavior in zero gravity, survival rates. Before humans risked the unknown, we sent animals into space. From the bark of Leica to the screech of fruit flies, these pioneers helped us understand what Earth-born life could endure beyond the sky. Why Mars? Describe the environment of Mars: cold, thin air, dust storms, and low gravity. Explain why humans are preparing to live there. Mars is our nearest, most reachable world, but it is not kind. Temperatures plunge, radiation bathes its surface, and gravity is a third of Earth's. Yet to Elon Musk and scientists around the world, it is humanity's next great leap. Enter the lion and the goat. Introduce a symbolic story of two animals, a lion and a goat trained in simulated Martian habitats. Explore their traits, the lion as a leader, the goat as a survivor. Imagine a Martian dome. Inside, two Earth animals prepare for the impossible, the lion, proud and powerful. The goat is clever and adaptable. Though one is a symbol of dominance and the other of humility, both represent the human condition, bravery, endurance, and the need to belong. Life support for animals. Explain how animals would need specialized habitats, oxygen, heat, water, food. Mention how AI and robotics might assist with care and study. For a lion or goat to survive on Mars, we'd need more than courage. We'd need science. Domes with recycled air. Temperature-controlled environments. Robotic feeders. Every heartbeat would rely on precision. Ethical and scientific questions. Should animals be used in Mars testing? Is it right? What are the alternatives? Compare animal testing today to past missions. What has changed ethically and scientifically? In the modern world, sending animals into space is no longer a simple decision. Ethics demand answers. Could we test with robotics? Genetically simulate organisms? Or are there still things only living beings can teach us? Explore which animals are fit for early Mars missions: tardigrades, mice, and insects. Mention how these creatures survive radiation, cold, and tight habitats. The truth is, Mars will not welcome lions or goats first. It will likely be a beetle, a mouse, or a microscopic tardigrade. Built for survival, born to endure, these tiny beings may be the first true Martian. How humans might build animal habitats on Mars: biomes, oxygen farms, hydroponics. Could animals ever roam freely on Mars? How far off is that dream? One day, domes may rise across the Martian soil, ecosystems enclosed in glass. There, goats may graze and lions may watch over fields beneath a red sky. But that day is far away. Return to the lion and goat, representing the extremes of earthly nature. Our lion and our goat may never truly walk on Mars. But they live in the minds of those who dream big. Their story reminds us of our dual nature, fierce and fragile, bold and careful. Elon Musk dreams of a Martian future. And as he builds rockets and cities of steel, we must also ask, what life will we bring with us? The animals we choose say something about who we are. Whether it's a goat, a lion, or a microbe, each carries the legacy of Earth. And perhaps, one day, a child on Mars will hear a lion's roar in a dome, or watch a goat nibble Martian grass, and know that we did not go alone, we brought Earth with us. When considering which animals could survive on Mars, we need to think about Mars' extreme environment. Thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, almost no oxygen. Extremely cold temperatures, average -63 degrees Celsius -81 degrees Fahrenheit. High radiation, no magnetic field to protect life like Earth. Low gravity, about 38% of Earth's gravity. No natural food or water sources. Psychological stress from isolation and confinement. That means no Earth animal could survive on Mars naturally. They would need fully artificial environments, sealed biodomes with oxygen, food, and climate control. But some animals are more adaptable and might do better in those controlled habitats. Suggested animals that could survive, with human support. Tortoises. Very resilient and long-living. Low food and oxygen needs. Can survive extreme temperatures for a limited time. Insects, like ants or beetles. Small, easy to transport. Some species are radiation resistant. Useful for studying closed-loop ecosystems. Mice or rats. Already widely used in space biology. Reproduce quickly. Useful for studying mammalian adaptation to low gravity. Goats. Hardy, adaptable animals. Can digest a variety of plant matter, useful if Martian crops are developed. Social and intelligent, good for behavior studies. Cats or hens, experimental only. Emotionally intelligent, but vulnerable to isolation and stress. Would need enriched, social environments. May help with emotional health of human crews. Animals that would not survive easily, even in domes. Fish, difficult to simulate full aquatic environments with correct gravity and oxygenation. Birds, struggle to fly in low gravity and thin air. Large predators, like lions, bears require a lot of food, space, and stimulation, not practical. Best candidates. Insects, mice, and tortoises for early biological experiments. Goats or rabbits if future Martian habitats expand for larger life support.